Today, we're going to compare 3 free AI tools that can generate images: ChatGPT by OpenAI Copilot Designer by Microsoft and Gemini by Google. We'll use the same 3 prompts for all of them and see how each one performs. This will help us find out which tool is better for different types of creative tasks, like making visuals for videos, stories, or projects. Prompt 1. Time and memories. Draw a magical river that shows time flowing. The river is made of memories, like old photos floating and clocks melting into the water. It's evening with a soft purple sky. Ratio 16:9. ChatGPT took around 2 minutes to generate this image. Result: a glowing purple river flows under a dreamy sky. You can see old memories, photos of people, floating in the water. Clocks are melting into the stream, just like how time fades. Overall, ChatGPT gave a beautiful and emotional result. Now let's give the same prompt to Microsoft Copilot and see how it performs. It took around 1 minute and 21 seconds to generate the image. Result: the river is glowing softly under the purple sky. Floating old photographs and melting clocks are clearly visible. Copilot did a good job. Not as dreamy as ChatGPT's, but neat and emotional. The details in the picture are simpler than GPT's, yet the visuals are well balanced. Now let's give the same prompt to Gemini and see what it draws. It took about 13 seconds to draw the picture. This is faster than both ChatGPT and Copilot. Picture result: the river in the picture is a calm purple blue. It has clear, melting clocks and old photos floating on it. Gemini did a good job. Let's give the second prompt to ChatGPT and see what it draws. Prompt 2. Make a very real picture of an old bicycle resting against a red brick wall. There are dry autumn leaves on the ground, and the morning sun makes long shadows. ChatGPT took 49 seconds. Result: ChatGPT generated a warm, detailed image with rich textures, soft shadows, and a true vintage feel. It captures the morning mood beautifully. A really good job by ChatGPT. Now testing with Copilot using second prompt. It generates images really well in terms of color and lighting, but sometimes it misses out on small details. For this prompt, it took 1 minute and 22 seconds. And here's the result: a warm-toned image with lovely morning shadows, an old bicycle resting quietly by a brick wall, and autumn leaves scattered around. The color tones are truly beautiful, cinematic and nostalgic. Though some tiny elements feel a bit soft, overall, Copilot did a charming job here. Now let's check out Gemini. It's really fast and usually gives clean images, though sometimes it misses small details. For this one, it took just 14 seconds. Super quick. And here's the result: a green bicycle leaning gently on a red brick wall. The lighting feels warm, the shadows are natural, and the dry leaves give it a cozy autumn feel. In my opinion, this image looks really good. It feels calm and realistic. Now the final prompt, based on mixed art and style. Prompt title: create a woman's portrait that mixes 2 art styles, one with sharp shapes, like cubes, and one with soft, blurry brush strokes. The colors should be gentle and beautiful. Ratio is 16:9. It took 1 minute and 2 seconds to generate. Result: we got an elegant blend. Sharp cubes melt into soft, dreamy brush strokes. The colors? Gentle and pastel, like a quiet evening sky. Her face holds emotion and calm. Modern and artistic at once. In my opinion, it's really beautiful, like digital poetry on canvas. A strong close to our test. Let's see how Copilot handles this challenging prompt. Prompt title: Mixed Art Styles Portrait. It took 1 minute and 1 second, same as ChatGPT. Result: surprisingly, Copilot gave better detail than GPT. While ChatGPT's image had stronger contrast and slightly mismatched eyes, Copilot captured deeper emotion with softer tones and more balance. It feels gentler, yet powerful. A really graceful output. Let's see how Gemini handles this creative challenge. Prompt title: Mixed Art Styles Portrait. It took just 24 seconds. Result: Gemini didn't just generate the image, it even wrote a code to create it. The output feels soft and poetic. The blurred brush strokes wrap around the face like mist, while the cube shapes gently frame the head. Her gaze is calm and reflective, like she's caught between digital edges and painted dreams. So what do you think? Which image stood out the most to you? Drop a comment below with your favorite from today's AI image comparison. In my opinion, all three were impressive in their own way. Gemini was super fast, Copilot had the best color and feel, and ChatGPT gave us the most detail. Each one brought something unique to the table. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which AI do you think did the best job? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI comparisons and tech content coming your way.